Understanding your car's owner's manual. When you purchase a new vehicle, you're not just acquiring a mode of transportation, you're also gaining access to a wealth of information contained within the owner's manual. This often overlooked document is a treasure trove of knowledge that can help you get the most out of your car, ensuring optimal performance, safety, and longevity. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the importance of understanding your car's owner's manual and the valuable insights it can provide. Welcome to Auto VFix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the topic of understanding your car's owner's manual. What is an owner's manual? An owner's manual, also known as an instruction manual or user guide, is a book that comes with every new vehicle. It is a comprehensive resource created by the manufacturer to provide essential information about the car's features, operation, maintenance, and safety guidelines. The owner's manual serves as a reference tool for both new and experienced drivers, offering detailed explanations and instructions tailored to the specific make and model of the vehicle. Why is the owner's manual important? Understanding and referring to your car's owner's manual is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. The owner's manual contains vital information about safety, features, warning lights, and proper operation of your vehicle. Following the instructions outlined in the manual can help prevent accidents and ensure the safety of you, your passengers, and other road users. 2. Optimal performance. By following the recommended maintenance schedules, fluid specifications, and operating procedures, you can maximize your car's performance and fuel efficiency, prolonging its lifespan and reducing the risk of breakdowns or costly repairs. 3. Understanding features. Modern vehicles are equipped with a wide range of features and technologies, from advanced infotainment systems to driver assist technologies. The owner's manual provides comprehensive explanations and instructions for using these features correctly and to their full potential. 4. Warranty compliance. Many manufacturers require adherence to specific maintenance and operating guidelines outlined in the owner's manual to maintain the validity of the vehicle's warranty. Failure to follow these guidelines could potentially void certain warranty coverages. 5. Resale value. A well-maintained vehicle with complete service records and proper adherence to the owner's manual instructions can contribute to a higher resale value when it's time to sell or trade in your car. What information can you find in an owner's manual? While the specific contents may vary between manufacturers and models, most owner's manuals typically include the following information. 1. Vehicle overview. This section provides an overview of the vehicle's exterior and interior components, including dashboard controls, instrument panel indicators, and essential features. 2. Operating instructions. Detailed instructions on how to operate various systems and features of the vehicle, such as the ignition, transmission, climate control, audio, system, and more. 3. Safety information. Comprehensive information on safety features, warning lights, seat belts, child restraint systems, and recommended practices for safe driving. 4. Maintenance schedules. Recommended maintenance schedules for regular service intervals, including oil changes, fluid replacements, filter replacements, and other essential maintenance tasks. 5. Troubleshooting. Guide. A troubleshooting section that helps identify and resolve common issues or warning lights, enabling you to quickly diagnose and address potential problems. 6. Specifications. Technical specifications for your vehicle, including engine details, capacities, recommended fluids and lubricants, tire pressures, and other important data. 7. Warranty information. Details about the vehicle's warranty coverage, terms and conditions, as well as information on how to file a warranty claim if necessary. 8. Emergency procedures. Instructions on how to handle emergency situations, such as changing a flat tire, jump-starting the battery, or roadside assistance procedures. How to effectively use your owner's manual. While the owner's manual may seem daunting at first, with its dense text and technical language, it's essential to take the time to familiarize yourself with its contents. Here are some tips for effectively using and understanding your car's owner's manual. 1. Read it before driving. Before taking your new vehicle on the road, take the time to read through the essential sections of the owner's manual, such as safety information, dashboard indicators, and basic operation instructions. 2. Keep it in your vehicle. Always keep the owner's manual in your vehicle for easy reference. Many manuals are designed to be stored in the glove compartment or other designated storage areas. 3. Use the index and table of contents. Most owner's manuals have a comprehensive index and table of contents, making it easier to locate specific information quickly. 4. Watch for symbols and warnings. Pay close attention to any symbols, icons, or warning messages highlighted throughout the manual, as they often indicate critical safety or operational information. 5. Refer to it regularly. Don't wait until you encounter a problem or need specific information. Make it a habit to refer to the owner's manual regularly, especially when performing maintenance tasks or learning about new features. Supplement with online resources. Many manufacturers offer digital versions of their owner's manuals, as well as supplementary resources like video tutorials and online forums, which can provide additional insights and assistance. In conclusion, your car's owner's manual is an invaluable resource that should never be overlooked or underestimated. By taking the time to understand and follow the instructions and guidelines outlined in the manual, you can ensure the safety, optimal performance, and longevity of your vehicle. Treat the owner's manual as your trusted companion on the road, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of modern vehicles, maximize their potential, and enjoy a more rewarding and stress-free driving experience. And that concludes our discussion on understanding your car's owner's manual. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy.